This is Ludwig about to play a horror game that I spent the past 7 days making. All because of one video. Ludwig made a video where if his heart rate gets too high, the video ends. And it made me realize that literally nothing scares him. He watched like 3 hours of scary videos and his heart rate did not go up. The video only ended from him doing like butt kick exercises. Like he just started exercising. So when Ludwig made an announcement saying he's going to play games made by his chat 1 week from now, I knew this would be the perfect opportunity to finally scare this guy. All right, this won't be easy, but I have a few ideas. So the theme for this game jam is coots. Ludwig's cats. All games must incorporate coots in some way. So I think we already know who our monster is going to be. What does Ludwig's cat even look like? Hopefully Ludwig has a scary cat. Oh. Dang it! Why does Ludwig have to have the cutest cat ever? How am I supposed to make this scary? This might be harder than I thought. Alright, so whenever I try to make a monster by myself, they end up looking like this. I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. But I know if I tried to model something, it would not be scary enough for Ludwig. So, I found this guy. He's from like this cursed, like, creepypasta thing. But look, I would never steal. So, just give me 1 second. Okay, see, look, this is a totally different cat. Like, it's like a totally different color. Totally different eye color. I literally had to bend the ears to make it look like coots. So I basically kind of made this by myself. Oh, this is going to be so cursed. All right, we need to find our animations. So I don't know why this thing is walking on 2 legs, but I guess if it's crawling, it'll kind of look like a cat. Okay, oh my god, this game is going to be so cursed. All right, and then we need our jump scare. So, but first, I want to show you the coolest sponsor I've ever had. It's actually crazy. It feels like it's from the future. This is the WoW Cube. It's like a puzzle cube mixed with a smart device. It has 24 interactive screens across 8 modules, and instead of just tapping a flat screen, you actually twist, tilt, and shake it, and it's super smooth. I was originally confused about what you can actually do with this, but there's so many games, puzzles, even widgets like a timer or night lamp. And my favorite part is that it's an open platform, so you can build your own apps and games for it. And it's not just for entertainment. It teaches skills like coordination, problem solving, and fine motor development while you play. This is just actually something I've never seen before. It's so weird and fun. And if you want to check it out, you can shop now at a limited time price with the link below. Thanks, WoW Cube. Now back to terrorizing Ludwig. So we're just in an empty scene. Nothing going on here. But if you turn around... Oh my god. It's actually creepy. I don't like how it sits like that. And if you get too close to Coots... Ah! Oh my god. That has to scare Ludwig, guys. That has to. So we have like a crazy jump scare now, but now we have to make like an actual game. And we have like 3 days left, so. Oops. So here's what I'm thinking for the game. Ludwig is really short. Most people know that. But a secret that most people don't know is that he's actually like 6 inches tall. Every morning, he just takes these height-enhancing pills to be a normal human size. Still much shorter than an average human, but something terrible happened. Ludwig dropped his pills, and they fell all over his room. And because he doesn't take them, he goes back to being super small. So we already have a giant, horrifying cat, but now we need a giant version of Ludwig's stream room. And it needs to be completely accurate, so I'm gonna try to map out his entire room by hand. Okay, I think this is the best view we're gonna get. So he has his desk in the front. He has a brown chair and a blue chair. And there we go. It's missing a little bit of detail, but it's a start. Okay, you know what? I'm not modeling this, okay? So I decided to collaborate with my friend who is a way better 3D modeler than me. So while he works on that, here's the plan. Coots is very, very hungry, specifically for miniature streamers. So the game is going to be parkouring across Ludwig's room and collecting your drugs. And if you fall, you get eaten alive, as we saw earlier, which did not scare me at all. But if you win, you return back to your normal height, 4 feet tall, and live happily ever after. Okay, our streamer room is ready. Wait, this is so fire. How did he make it like a photo? What? Guys, huge thanks to Nokoi. This looks a lot better than my attempt. Okay, we have it in the game, so let's see how it looks. Oh, this is so sick. We are running around Ludwig's actual stream room. I don't think this is possible though. Yeah. Okay, so I want to make a path that goes like from here to here. Basically, like I want to make you go all the way around somehow. Okay, so let's add some of these like boxes. We can do like one here and then maybe one that's like this. All right, look at this parkour. You go from this box to right here. Oh no, please, 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 please. That wasn't my fault. My keyboard was glitching out, so. And then you can climb onto the chair. Can you get up here? No, Ludwig is really short. Okay, let's use this coffee cup and just kind of put it like right here. Now that I think about it, this makes no sense that he has a coffee mug on his chair, but just don't think too much about it. Now look at this crazy parkour. I don't think that's possible either. So let's make a little path with this random wooden plank. These are definitely very natural things to keep on your chair. All right, now we can go up here. Oh, we cooked. Look at the beautiful desk. We definitely have to put something on the screen right here. And then you turn around and somehow we have to get over here. Wait, you know what would be cool? Imagine there's like a paper airplane here and you have to push it off the desk and then like jump on and fly to the chair. That would be so... Okay, hear me out. This is going to be so sick. Okay, I think this should work. I just kind of did like an animation where the plane gets pushed off the desk and then glides over to the chair. So, okay, so if you go up to the paper plane, it says, press E to launch. So let's go and like kind of stand on it and... Wait, no. Ready for takeoff. Let's go. Oh, it's so creepy. Please don't fall. Oh, there we go. We did it. And now, ew. Oh God, it's so creepy seeing this up close. We should do more stuff like that. We could do like a pencil at the beginning that you have to push over to make a bridge. And we can put it like right here. Okay, I just made the animation. This one you push over and it falls and it becomes a bridge. Okay, now if you go up to the pencil, press E to push. Look at that crazy puzzle, guys. I'm a genius game designer. But we might be able to get to the end now. Let's see. So, there, and then... Oh, that's so creepy. Okay, I don't know about this jump, though. Let's see. Yeah, we cannot do it. Okay, this one actually kind of makes sense. What if, like, on the end of the table, we can have, like, a phone? Okay, it's not the most natural phone placement, but it's kind of boring, though, so there we go. a nice, cute little wallpaper of your demonic cat that wants to kill you. But now we can get to the end. There we go. Now you can get to the end, but this is pretty boring. I want Ludwig's chats to be entertained, so we need to add some Ludwig references. Ludwig references. Shorts. Well, I guess I already did that one. I ran out of ideas pretty quickly and knew I would have to do some research. So I'm going to travel to meet Ludwig's biggest fan. Well, kind of. I'm traveling like 20 feet. I have a roommate that's like really obsessed with Ludwig. Hey, bro.
Alright.
Hey, I was wondering if you could help me with something?
There's 3 hours left on the VOD. Can I finish the VOD?
Bro, are you watching 2 Ludwig videos at once?
I'm catching up and I'm watching an old one. It's Super Auto Pets. It's Super Auto.
What is Super Auto Pet?
Chat, this guy does not even know Super Auto Pets.
I had some like questions I wanted to ask you. Is that cool?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so.
Oh my god, this is just like the yard. Dude, I'll be Ludwig, you be slime. I'll be Ludwig, you be slime.
Okay, let's just get this done. How long have you been watching Ludwig for?
7 years. I was at the subathon. 31 days, 2021. I know everything. Ask me anything about Ludwig.
I am making a game about... I am making a horror game about Ludwig.
Wait, chat, you're a Ludbug too? Dude, Poggers! Poggers, love W.
Okay, I want to have some Ludwig references in the game. So I was wondering if you could like tell me about some of like...
Super Auto Pets. Ludwig is so addicted to Super Auto Pets. Chat literally tells him to stop playing and he keeps playing. He's amazing.
Okay, good to know.
Next is Nami from One Piece. Nami is so hot. Ludwig loves Nami.
Okay,
Pogo Stuck! Do you know Pogo Stuck? He rages. His rages are so W on stream. He gets so mad, but he beat it. And that's why he's Pog Champ.
Okay, so Pogo Stuck.
Pogo Stuck.
All right.
Did I mention how hot Nami is?
Yeah, you did actually.
Okay. Ludbugs.
Okay, so I'm gonna go.
No. We could watch Ludwig together. Look, he's streaming. He's streaming now. He's streaming Super Auto Pets. He has 21,000 viewers. No, get back! Get back!
I need to move out of here. But now we have our references. Okay, Super Auto Pets should be on the monitors. There we go. And then the right one should be like the stream software. So chat, just like spam like W Ludwig and Poggers and stuff, and it'll look like his chat. Perfect. Okay. And watch this, guys. So you go up to the monitor, press E to quit Super Auto Pets. You can't quit, you're addicted. The Ludwig fans are gonna love this one. Now let's put Nami right here. I swear, it's just a collector's item. And then let's just put like a pogo stick, just randomly on this couch. Very normal thing to have sitting on your couch. There we go. The fans are gonna love me. Gotta farm some W's in the chat. Now the final thing to do is hide the drugs. Okay, that sounded bad. It's not what you think. It's medicine. Okay, let's put one here, over here on the boxes, behind the coffee, behind the desk. This one might be really hard. And then what if we put one mid-air? So while you're going down the airplane, you have to somehow grab it. On the very end of this pogo stick, let's hide one behind this plant. And then the last one at the very end. And then when you beat the game, you are back to normal heights. So the game should be finished now, but let's see if it actually works. I added some sticky notes as a tutorial at the beginning, so. Ludwig, remember to take your height enhancing pills. 8 per day. Otherwise, you'll be so small that Coots might eat you. Haha. Just kidding. Obviously. Something tells me they aren't actually kidding. So our first puzzle, genius game design from PolyMars. You have to go up to this pencil and press a button on your keyboard. There we go. So you jump up and you cross your new bridge. And then this must be one of our height enhancing pills. So let's see what happens. Now we have 1 of 8. I added a little blood stain here, you know, some environmental storytelling. Press shift to sprint. Do not fall. So you make your way, taking your drugs. I love taking drugs. He's gonna go up here, farm some laughs from the chat really quick, and then I feel like some of these are actually hard to find. Like, he might not think to go back here. And then another genius game design puzzle from PolyMars. And you have to get this one midair, which is actually not that hard at all. Farm some more W's from the chat. Take your pill. Ignore the demon cat staring up at you. Jump up here. Jump to here. Go behind the plants. Check your phone for a bit. And then make the last jump. And there we go! The game works! Okay. But now, it's time to see if it's enough to scare Ludwig. Guys, it happened! Ludwig played my game. You probably knew that because otherwise this video wouldn't exist, but I am excited. Not only did he play it, Michael Reeves and Cutie Cinderella are about to play my game too. So my goal is to get 1 scream from each of them. Oh, I'm scared. I'm actually kind of scared to see this. Okay.
All right, let's move on to Furry Friend.
That's my
Furry
game. That's my game.
friend.
By
Oh.
PolyMars.
That's me! That's me!
Okay, yeah. Jesus Christ.
Ooh, we got a Jesus Christ. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Chat saying PolyMars. Chat saying PolyMars. Here we go, guys. Oh, no, already.
Jesus.
Okay, I don't think that counts as a scream, but. Yes! Let's go! 1 down, 2 to go.
Oh, I don't like that.
Oh.
It's basically a game of the floor is lava, but if you fall, the
This game, that.
We gotta scream! We gotta scream!
No!
Another scream from Ludwig. Oh,
That
too
wasn't
easy. It's
ready.
too easy. Just give me all the screams at this point.
Oh, I hate that.
2 of the 3 judges have said they hate my game. I don't. That can't be good for me. I knew he would love that one. I knew he'd love that one.
Oh, it's my stream room. This is my couch. That's my chair. This is my plant in. Oh my god. And this is me playing Super Auto Pets. Thank you for following the channel. I appreciate that. This is Twitch though, just to be clear. You screenshotted a Twitch one.
Okay, shut up.
Are there any pills on the desk?
Oh, he's smart. He's a gamer. He's a
Bigger
gamer.
in potential.
He's kind of nailing this game. I probably made it too easy.
I swear it's a collector's item, Nami in a jar.
W joke for the fans. Yeah, it might be a little buggy.
Okay.
Let's go. I'm so funny. Guys, I am so funny. I'm so funny.
Okay. This game is like 5 Ludwig jokes and then don't touch the ground with 1 jump scare and then GG.
No. It's so. I don't like it.